Welcome back to English Life Story. Let me ask you a question. What happens when you practice a little every day? Do you become stronger? Do you become more confident? Do you become better? The answer is yes. Every day you practice English, your mind becomes faster, your ears become stronger, your confidence grows.
And the best part is that you do not need to study for many hours. A few minutes every day can change everything.
Exactly, John. Today is day 3. Today is another opportunity to grow, another opportunity to speak, another opportunity to believe in yourself. So take your notebook, take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin. Today is Monday. You wake up early. You open your eyes. You feel fresh. You feel motivated. The first thing you say is, I am learning English. I am improving every day.
Those are powerful words. When you start your day with positive thoughts, learning becomes easier.
Very true. Now you sit at your desk, you open your notebook, you write today's date. Then you write, today I will practice English. Today I will speak English. Today I will learn something new.
Simple goals, but very important goals.
Let's talk about daily routines. These are sentences you can use every day. Listen and repeat. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make my bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I eat breakfast.
Now, let's create a short story. A young man named Omar wakes up early. He makes his bed. He washes his face. He eats breakfast. Then he studies English for 20 minutes.
Omar is not perfect, but he practices every day. That is why he improves. Today, we will learn important time words. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Let's use them in simple sentences. I study English in the morning. I work in the afternoon. I relax in the evening. I sleep at night.
Wonderful. These words are useful because we use them every day. Now let's practice a real conversation. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Sarah.
How are you today?
I am great, thank you.
What are you doing today?
I am studying English.
Excellent. Listeners, repeat after John. I am studying English.
See, that was easy.
Now imagine you are walking outside. You see people going to work. You see children going to school. You see shops opening. You see buses moving.
And now we can learn from what we see.
Exactly. Listen and repeat. The children are going to school. The workers are busy. The shop is open. The bus is full.
English is everywhere. You can learn from the world around you.
Let's learn some new words. Clock, phone, computer, desk, chair.
Now let's use them. The clock is on the wall. My phone is in my pocket. The computer is on the desk. The chair is comfortable.
Very good. Do not only memorize words. Use them in sentences. That is how you remember them. Now let's answer questions. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What do you do in the morning?
I eat breakfast and study English.
Where do you study?
I study at home.
Excellent. Questions help us think in English. Now let me tell you a short story. There was a woman named Fatu. She wanted to speak English fluently. At first, she knew only a few words. She felt nervous. She felt shy.
What did she do?
Every day, she listened to English for 10 minutes. Every day, she learned 2 new words. Every day, she spoke 1 new sentence.
That sounds simple.
It was simple, but after 6 months, she was speaking confidently. Her secret was consistency, not perfection. Now it is your turn. Talk about yourself. Say, my name is, I live in, I study English every day, I enjoy learning new words.
The more you talk about yourself, the easier speaking becomes.
Exactly, because you already know your own story. Now look in a mirror, smile, and repeat after me. I can learn English. I can improve. I can speak English. I am getting better every day.
These sentences may look simple, but confidence is built with simple habits.
Very true. A confident learner practices more, and a learner who practices more improves faster. Now, the day is ending. You sit quietly. You think about your progress. Today, you practiced new words. Today, you practiced speaking. Today, you practiced listening.
Maybe you learned only a few new words. That is okay. A few words every day become hundreds of words later.
Exactly. Small progress is still progress.
Sarah, what is the most important lesson today?
The most important lesson is this: do not stop. Some days will be easy. Some days will be difficult. Keep going. Practice anyway.
One day you will be surprised. You will understand English better. You will speak more naturally. You will feel more confident.
And it all starts with today's practice. Congratulations! Today you practiced daily routines. You learned time expressions. You answered questions. You listened to stories. And you spoke English.
Remember, practice is your superpower. Every sentence matters. Every word matters. Every minute matters.
We will continue our journey. More practice, more confidence, more success.
Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep learning.
Your English journey is alive. Your English journey is growing. And your future is bright. Now it is time for something new. Now we will use English in real life. Imagine you are outside. You are hungry. You want to buy food. You want to talk to people. Can you do it in English?
Many learners know vocabulary, but they don't know how to use it in real situations.
Exactly. Today, we will practice real communication. Let's begin. Imagine you walk into a restaurant. You sit down. A waiter comes to your table.
This is a situation many people experience.
The waiter smiles and says, "Hello, welcome. What would you like to eat?"
What should I answer?
You can say, "I would like chicken and rice." Or, "I would like a sandwich." Or, "I would like a salad."
Simple and useful.
Exactly. Now let's practice. I would like rice. I would like fish. I would like bread. I would like water.
These sentences can help you almost anywhere.
Now the waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?"
I can answer, I would like tea.
Excellent. Or, "I would like orange juice." "I would like coffee." "I would like water."
This feels like real life.
Because it is real life. Let me tell you a story. One day, Mariam visited a new city. She was nervous because everyone spoke English. She entered a restaurant. At first, she was afraid.
What happened?
She remembered her practice. She smiled. She said, "Hello, I would like chicken and rice. I would like water."
And the waiter understood her?
Yes, everything went well. Mariam felt proud. She realized something important. You do not need perfect English. You only need useful English. Now let's go shopping. Imagine you enter a small store. You need some food. You need some fruit. You need some bread.
What can I say?
You can ask, "How much is this?"
Very useful.
The shopkeeper answers, "It is $2." Or, "It is $5."
Then I can decide if I want to buy it.
Exactly. Let's practice. Shopkeeper, good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, I would like some apples.
Certainly. Anything else?
Yes, I would like some bread.
Wonderful. That is real communication. Sometimes you do not know where something is. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the supermarket?"
And someone might answer, the supermarket is next to the bank.
Very good. Or you can ask, "Where is the bus station? Where is the pharmacy? Where is the restaurant?"
These questions are useful when traveling.
Exactly.
Sarah, many learners are still afraid to speak.
That is normal. But confidence comes from action, not from waiting. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle. You cannot learn by watching videos only. You must get on the bicycle.
English is the same.
Exactly. You must speak, even if your English is simple, even if you make mistakes. Here is today's challenge. Today, speak 5 English sentences. Not tomorrow, today.
Only 5?
Yes, 5 simple sentences. For example, I am happy today. I am learning English. I like coffee. I live in Dakar. I will practice again tomorrow.
Everyone can do that.
Exactly. Small actions create big results. Imagine you meet a tourist. The tourist says, "Hello, can you help me?"
You answer, "Yes. What do you need?"
The tourist says, "Where is the market?"
You answer, "The market is near the mosque."
Excellent. You just had a real conversation in English. Before you sleep tonight, try something new. Look around your room. Say the names of objects in English. Door, window, bed, chair, phone, table.
That is a great exercise.
Yes, it trains your brain to think in English.
Today was different. We did not only learn words, we used English in real situations.
Exactly. Today, you learned how to order food, how to buy things, how to ask questions, how to communicate with confidence.
And these are skills you can use in the real world.
Remember, English is not only a subject, English is a tool. Use it, practice it, enjoy it.
Tomorrow we continue with Day 4. More stories, more conversations, more confidence.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep believing. Your English journey is alive, and every day you are becoming a better English speaker. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and see you in Day 4.